Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Pipedrive CRM reports for revenue by source. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify Pipedrive CRM reports for revenue by source, start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Navigate to the Reports section on the left-hand menu. Select Revenue from the list of reporting options. In the Revenue report, you will see various filters at the top. Set the date range for your report by adjusting the date fields. Choose the sources you want to include in your report by using the Filter by option. You can select multiple sources to get a comprehensive view. Once you've set your filters, click on the Apply button to refresh the report. Review the revenue figures displayed in the report. You can see the total revenue generated from each source. To delve deeper, click on any specific source. This action will provide a breakdown of the deals related to that source. Examine the details to ensure accuracy in the data presented. If you notice discrepancies, double-check the source configurations in your Pipedrive settings. Additionally, review any relevant deals or activities linked to those sources. For further insight, consider exporting the report into a spreadsheet format. This will allow for offline analysis and comparison, if needed. Regularly verifying your reports will help maintain data integrity. With these steps, you can efficiently confirm the accuracy of your revenue reports by source in Pipedrive. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.